99% of all auto body shops on this planet will remove the paint in order to fix this dent. I'm going to show you how to cut your time in half on this without color matching and spraying the side of your vehicle. Using some reshaping methods, pullers, metal picks, tips, and plastic, I will keep the paint intact and original. I will be pulling only. It's like a magic trick. You see the dent? Now you don't. Hello, I am Ken, your host, the man that rips on steel. Backstory. Customer was sideswiped in a parking lot. I'm going to share. Not all 5-star companies are created equal. He reached out to 6 companies. All 6 5-star said, and I quote, "It's beyond PDR repair," unquote. In other words, they are recommending Bondo Bob to remove the paint, put a few coats of filler, sand, then respray the side of the vehicle. The customer wanted to keep his M3 paint original. Painting his BMW would take a major hit and be devalued. Tools and tips for this tutorial. Multiple dent pulling devices. I'll be sliding a hammer and swinging a hammer. Door jamb. Panel remover. PDR rods with different shaped tips, plastic dent tabs, polished steel knockdowns, high-speed polisher, alcohol, a torch. I will light up the damage with a PDR light. Taking a measurement of the dent. This dent covers 4 feet of real estate. Looking down inside the door, you can see multiple intrusion beams. These doors are extremely difficult to work on. Locking in the door jamb. Using a panel remover to pop off the exterior trim. Question: do you work in a body shop? Would you like to learn how to perform magic tricks by pulling dents, leaving the paint intact? Leave a comment down below. Going to remove some additional parts. Using a brand new blade to open things up. Removing the glass, now pull in the door. I will use this larger opening for tool access. Using a light, the upper structure is pushing through the skin, causing a major stamp line. Next, using a Dewalt battery polisher to clean the surface. I reach for my knockdown. This tip is a little thicker. Warming up the panel using a torch. Going to place my first tab in the deepest section of the dent. Placing my second tab next to the first one. I'm going to give you a different look in this tutorial using 2 bridge pullers. The first puller is hooked up, legs spread. Tighten the lever, increasing the pulling pressure on the tab. People in the back did not see that. Let's run that back one more time. Question: PDR techs and body shop techs, have you tried this one before? Pause the video, leave a comment. These pullers are built for performance. You will feel the power. These amazing tools work extremely well for your car. You can find these bridge pullers on the website down below. Moving to the front section of the door. This curved tab will fit nicely in the dent. Next, grabbing a single leg puller, I found my leverage point. Now making the pull. Question: are you wanting to work on your own vehicle, leaving the paint intact? Leave a comment down below. My next section, I'm going to pull up underneath the side mirror, gluing my next tab to the panel. Do you have a dent question? My channel has the answer. Leave a comment. Here is another aerial view of both pullers. Next, turning the handle clockwise. Wow, look at that dent move. The largest section of the dent is out. Leaving the pulling pressure on the tabs, going to squirt the tabs with alcohol. Applying pressure and ripping the tabs off. Here is the dent in natural lighting. Now using a PDR light. Still have lots of work left. Next, going to reduce the size of the plastic. Spreading glue on the tabs and putting them on the surface of the panel. Gripping the slide on the hammer. Each tab is getting a couple of tugs. Removing the tabs. Next step, putting the door back on the hinges. Are you new to my channel? Mention that you're a new subscriber and the man that rips. That's right, On Steel will respond back. I'm going to run PDR rods down the top opening of the door. I'm working the back side. I'm twisting my tool, running power to the tip in order to push and drag out the dent. The remaining low shadows of the dent is disappearing right in front of your eyes. Using metal knockdowns on the outside surface. When the dent is stubborn, these knockdowns work really well. I have plastic in place so I do not get polish inside the vehicle. Before I show you the final results, I need to give my website a shout out. If you'd like to learn more on the tools and training, you can message me in the links down below. Question: does anyone want to guess how much I charged? Are you a body shop? What would you charge to repair? One auto body paint shop said it was going to cost $7,000. That's right, $7,000 for body work, paint, and blend. Are you a PDR company? What would you charge? Leave a comment down below. I want to personally thank you for watching my video. Do you need one-on-one beginner training with the man that rips on steel? Let me know in the comments and I will make room for you. My website is live and trending. Go give it a look. If you're new to my channel, I'm hoping these dent tips helped you out on your repair. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you when I airdrop my next clip.